Hey, it's Gladys, and I'm in Vegas again, and actually celebrating my bachelorette, so special occasion. I'm going to give you a tour of the Nightingale Suite at Park MGM in Las Vegas, and we'll start right over here. We're on the 26th floor with a strip view, so right when you walk in, you have your double door closet, plenty of space, and you actually have your safe in the closet, which is nifty, I guess. Anyways, as you keep going in, lots of red, lots of natural lighting. We have the window open. Whoa, super huge bar here, wet bar with a sink. How convenient. Mini bar right in there. There's lots of storage underneath. Love the large mirror space. And if we keep walking in, there's two suites. There's the Nightingale, which has 2 queen beds. So you see here, sleeps 4 on the beds, and you actually have a pull-out couch, so right here in the center of the room, which would sleep 2 more, so if you wanted to accommodate 6 people in this room. But I'm walking through it and there is so much space. I mean, there's a couch on the side there, a table, you've got your television and full-length mirror right over there, and then you're kind of back to the front and there's your bar. Hey Mel. And the bathroom's right over there. So I'll just take a quick view, outer view. We've got a strip view, so you see the Park MGM there, Coca-Cola, and let's see, Signature from Park MGM, a little bit of the, Waldorf Astoria right there. That used to be the Mandarin Oriental, not anymore. Need to stay there. So let's go to the bathroom and check that out. Lots of lighting in here, I love it. I've done a previous walkthrough of just a standard 2 queen bed, so this looks kind of like a similar bathroom. It is a lot more spacious. Ooh, echoey. Ooh, the shower is about the same size. So you're kind of getting the same shower size if you get a suite or if you get a standard room. So something to think about, and you have a separate toilet room here, so kind of dark. I'm sure there's lighting, but we'll walk right back out. I'm going to do a quick panoramic of the entire room, and like I said, I'm celebrating my bachelorette here. There's 9 girls. We are reserving the next room over. It's a connecting room with another 2 queen beds, so we're going to be having 5 girls sleeping in this room with the sleeping sofa, and there's the connecting door to the other room, which if you want to check out the other room with the 2 queen beds, check out my other video on my page, and we're going to have 4 girls sleeping there. So very spacious, lots of artwork. Check it out. Park MGM is where it's at. Subscribe. Bye.